It's going to add to the overall look, and on top of that, it's going to add 2 additional side benefits. Welcome to Big Hobbies. Today I'm going to install Inner Fenders on my TRX-4 Sport. Here's the Inner Fender that I will be installing today. The part number is TRA8080. It's the Narrow Inner Fenders kit, and for $18, I think it's a steal. It's going to add to the overall look, and on top of that, it's going to add 2 additional side benefits. First, the Inner Fender will allow me to mount my shorty battery on the front, which will help shift the weight bias to the front. Although it's not the most ideal location as the battery is high up on the chassis, it will be better than the current stock battery location. Second, the Inner Fender will provide me with multiple rear shock mounting positions, which will come very handy. Here are the parts included in the Narrow Inner Fenders kit. The 4 fenders, and each of them are clearly marked where each one goes. The front battery tray, rear brace, screws, and instructions. So let's get started with the install. Here's the left front LF, which has the integrated penhole mount. For the rear, you'll need to reverse the orientation of the rear body mount using the included rear brace. Here's the inner fenders installed. The rear inner fenders gives you 4 shout mounting points. I'm using the first mounting point closer to the center to add a bit of a droop, which should help with climbing. As mentioned earlier, one of the side benefits of the inner fenders is that it has a battery tray that can be mounted to the front. And I will be using this slot to use my shorty battery here. Here's my shorty battery. I'll be mounting this to the front. And it fits perfectly, and it should provide a bit of weight bias to the front. As I mentioned earlier, it's not the most ideal location as the battery sits high up on the chassis, but it will be better than the current stock battery location. I will have the links to the narrow inner fender and some of the parts used in the description section, so please go check them out. Also, if you found the information useful, please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Hobbies.